Yes, I will be creating music using just Python. Only code, no FL Studio, no Ableton, and anything like this. I have some MIDIs, melody, chord, pad and bass, and some instruments. First of all, installing PyDub and PrettyMIDI is necessary, since PyDub is audio processing library and PrettyMIDI allows to import MIDI, so notes from it. I will import them right away and will import math and numpy as well. It will be easier for later calculations and arrays. So here is an example on PrettyMIDI documentation how to import file, and for now just to check how to get tempo, skip drums and synthesize. I went on creating a simple function that prints out tempo of MIDI and added parameters to it as well, so the function will know what to output exactly later on. Now time for PyDub. Audio segment allows to open file and work on it, and the syntax isn't that complicated too. I added my sound to function and made it a main sound for MIDI notes. Basically, what I did now is made an empty audio array that will store final audio in CD quality, converted start time to samples, implemented pitch shift so the audio isn't that goofy sounding, shifted melody so each note is resampled to its pitch shift, shifted melody converted into array, and here is the exact time the melody starts and ends. It adds the audio to final audio array at specific time. It is normalized and it is written. Oh yeah, I imported scpy.io wave file. Import write and read. Read was just in case debugging. And here are my parameters. Oh. Okay. So by doing this, I have my first melody. The notes are overlaying each other, so I change the duration of them. To calculate duration, I had to divide my seconds through BPM and multiply it by 16. As it is 2 beats melody, like it is a rectangle times 32, if you would visualize it in FL Studio, right? For pad, the duration is 2 times longer. Having this, I managed to create bass, kind of, let's pitch it. I created pad and piano. To combine everything at once, I created another script so I wouldn't mess up something. I concatenated it instead of combining. It should have been overlay, as it works right now. But the sound is kinda bleedy. It means that too much frequency overlap and volume build up. I simply lowered the volume down for everything, and it sounded much better. Now to make drum loop, I followed the same idea that it goes by these rectangles. So for me, as I was creating drum and bass, it would go like this. So I went with it. But it was too slow. I added beat duration, and it was still slow. By calculating a bit, I saw the magic number that was 250. Well, it would seem that this number makes the beat duration literally a rectangle. One rectangle. I could add a drum loop to the beat, but the drum loop was too short. So I repeated it 4 times to match 5 seconds and 650 milliseconds for 170 BPM, and now it sounds great. However, I think the main melody was missing something, so I created new files called melody 1 wave, melody 2 wave, and melody 3 wave. Each one has a difference of pitch of 12, so it basically is an octave. And well, octave is a difference of 12 semitones. Combining them, and now I can use this melody to the beat. Now if I would like to add a pad, I would have to get 2 beat sounds without pad and then add pad in the background. So that's what I did, and here's the one beat with piano as well. Now combining all beat files results in full beat.